Welcome sports enthusiasts. We are twisting and flipping through India's fascinating journey at the Olympics in gymnastics. A tale of late bloomers, heartbreaks, breakthrough performances and rising stars.
Gymnastics has been a part of Olympics since 1896. But India's story at Olympics in gymnastics is a relatively new story but incredibly inspiring.
So let's stumble into this fascinating narrative.
In fact, gymnastics has been one of the oldest sports in Olympics. Despite that, India didn't send a single gymnast to the Olympics until 1952.
In 1952, India did send a gymnast called Veer Singh, though he didn't win any medals, but that was a significant step towards participation.
But Pankaj, interestingly, after 1952, India didn't send any gymnast to the Olympics for the next 50 years. Clearly, the sport took its time to gain traction in the country.
The 90s and the 2000s saw the game of gymnastics regaining a lot of popularity in India.
While Olympic participation remained elusive, these decades were crucial for building infrastructure and interest in the sport.
In fact, the 2012 London Games were very crucial for India's participation in the gymnastics event.
Ashish Kumar became the first Indian gymnast in 58 years to qualify for the Olympics.
Though he didn't qualify for the finals, we didn't win any medals, but that was enough to reignite the love for gymnastics in India.
Did you know? Olympic gymnasts compete in 6 events for men and 4 for women. This sport requires a combination of flexibility, strength and artistic expressions.
Exactly, and this expression was visible in 2016 at Rio because that was a very significant moment in India's history at gymnastics.
It was because Deepa Karmakar became the first Indian female gymnast to qualify for the Olympics, and she did so with a bang.
So Deepa Karmakar's performance at Rio, performing the Pradunova vault, known as the Vault of Death, it captured the imagination of the world. She missed the bronze medal narrowly coming forth in that vault event.
Karmakar's performance wasn't just about one Olympics. It inspired an entire generation of gymnasts across India.
But Surbhi, with high hopes at Tokyo, India couldn't send any athletes or gymnasts at the Tokyo Games because of injuries, qualification issues and the pandemic.
As we look towards Paris 2024 and beyond, Indian gymnasts look poised for a comeback.
Absolutely. With improved performances, a lot of support, fast gaining popularity and a generation inspired by Deepa Karmakar, India's gymnasts are looking to set fire on the match.
India's Olympic journey in gymnastics is a story of late blooming and rapid progress.
In fact, from long absences to fourth position finishes, Indian gymnasts have definitely come a long way.
While an Olympic medal in gymnastics still remains a goal, our athletes have shown that they can compete at the highest level. The foundation has been laid and the future looks promising.
And if you have liked our tumbling and our rumblings and our somersaults, please do like and share this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button. If you want to also know more about different Olympic sports, please do comment in the section below. This is Pankaj and Surbhi signing off.